Here is a close look at this stainless steel ruler. Very excited to show you guys this thing today. So right off the bat, the first thing I want to note is that it's nice and flexible. So it is great for those smaller, precise measurements that you might need to take with it. Very, very handy for that. It's also very thin, as you can see. I'm not sure just how thin, but it is certainly not thick, so it can get into those smaller spaces. Very, very handy tool here. And I also really like this piece right here. So it can go on your pocket. As you can see, we've got this little clip that's very, very sturdy. And it's also got this piece on the end right here so that you can move it along the length of the ruler like this, just throughout it, so that if you need to say precisely get 2 inches, you can move it right to that 2-inch mark and then just go ahead and measure something. It is great for that. Came in this little I don't know, not a box. Came in this, by the way, if you're curious. And the last thing I want to show you is the back. So we've got the decimal equivalents back here throughout the length of the ruler. As you can see, we've got our eighths, our 16ths, our 32nds, and our 64ths. It is really small though, so I apologize if you can't see that very well. That's honestly my only complaint with this ruler, is that the numbers are very, very tiny. So it does make it harder to see, especially if you're kind of working at a distance, whatever your project requires, it might be harder to see. But other than that, I think that this is an excellent ruler. If you need small, precise measurements, this is your guy. It can definitely do it for you. Very handy. Love this piece that you can slide along the length of the ruler and it doesn't move around easily. So overall, I would definitely recommend this for whatever projects you might need it for.